So the pelicans have gone to the little island in the middle of the lake. Huge ones. Huge white ones just standing there on the rock. They're not wandering around like before. So we'll have a look around to see another helicopter around. Yeah, there they are. You can see them preening up there near the fountain. With the crane. They also have the cranes there. That's amazing. On the rocks. Just relaxing in the sunshine next to the fountain. Can't get near them now. They're right in the middle.